All right, check this out. This is a laptop that twists and rotates and even dances all automatically. It's called the Lenovo Auto Twist. It's very aptly named, if I do say so, and it was just revealed as a proof of concept device at Lenovo Innovation World that's happening adjacent to IFA 2024. The thing that separates the Lenovo Auto Twist from every other Windows 11 laptop and every other laptop period is this teeny motor that basically controls the hinge to complete a couple of interesting functions. For example, using AI, the laptop's camera can detect your face and track it as, say, you move around on a video call or while you're hosting a presentation on a stage. It can also take a panoramic photo by rotating around, if that's the kind of thing you've always wanted your laptop with a 5-megapixel camera to be able to do. You're looking at vertical 180-degree and horizontal 270-degree twisting at 30 degrees per second and 20 degrees per second, respectively. Another use case for the Lenovo Auto Twist is the ability to control the laptop screen hand-free using voice commands.
High twist, laptop mode.
So during the demo, some of the commands I tried were high twist, open laptop, high twist, tablet mode, and high twist, close laptop. You get the point. Not sure how much easier this is than just opening and adjusting my laptop with my hands, but I would imagine that this would be pretty brilliant from an accessibility standpoint. And it is cool that apparently when you walk away from the laptop, it will shut automatically, which is good from a privacy standpoint. But as with anything with a motor and hinge, there's a big question about how long something like this will actually last. And Lenovo is estimating a life cycle of 20,000 times. It's obviously a possible point of failure, though surprisingly these demos went off without a hitch.
High twist, close lid.
Very important to reiterate that this is just a concept device, which means that it's kind of Lenovo's way of just showing it off to see how it's received and what people are saying and whether this is something consumers say they might actually want. So let me know in the comments what your first impressions are. Is this the type of innovation you're interested to see in the laptop market, or does it seem like a little bit of a gimmick? Either way, the Lenovo Auto Twist was fun to check out, but you can see more of it and some of the other announcements from Lenovo Innovation World on our socials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.
High twist, tablet mode.